Make a great choice today with the 2019 Savana Cargo. The GMC Savana, all the cargo you can carry, a price you can afford. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, keyless entry, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.